Hi everyone, I'm Victor. Today we'll check out the different holidays happening on April 17th. Prepare to have fun with loved ones or simply relax on your own. Happy birthday to those celebrating today. You might discover a holiday below that's perfect for your special day. National Cheese Ball Day. National Cheese Ball Day is an unofficial food-themed holiday celebrated annually on April 17th in the United States. The day is dedicated to appreciating and enjoying cheese balls, a popular party snack made from a blend of soft cheeses, often combined with various seasonings, spices, and other ingredients to create a flavorful and spreadable appetizer. Cheese balls can be made from a variety of cheeses, such as cream cheese, cheddar, blue cheese, or Gouda, and they are often rolled in nuts, herbs, or other toppings for added texture and flavor. They are typically served with crackers, bread, or vegetables for dipping or spreading. International Bat Appreciation Day. International Bat Appreciation Day, celebrated annually on April 17, is dedicated to raising awareness about the crucial role bats play in our ecosystems and the various threats they face. As pollinators, seed dispersers, and natural pest controllers, bats contribute significantly to maintaining ecological balance. By consuming large quantities of insects, they help protect crops from damage and reduce the spread of diseases. Despite their importance, bats are confronted with numerous challenges, such as habitat loss, disease, climate change, and negative public perception, which often stem from misconceptions and unfounded fears surrounding these unique creatures. On International Bat Appreciation Day, individuals, organizations, and communities are encouraged to learn more about bats, their ecology, and their essential roles in the environment. Orthodox Easter Monday. Orthodox Easter Monday, also known as Bright Monday, is a religious holiday observed by Orthodox Christians on the day following Orthodox Easter Sunday. The date of Orthodox Easter Monday varies each year because the Orthodox Church uses the Julian calendar to calculate Easter, whereas Western Christianity uses the Gregorian calendar. This difference in calendars can result in Orthodox Easter occurring anywhere from a week to several weeks after the Western Christian Easter. Orthodox Easter Monday is the beginning of Bright Week, a period of celebration and joy that lasts for 7 days. During this time, many Orthodox Christians continue to celebrate the resurrection of Jesus Christ and the end of the Lenten season. In countries where Orthodox Christianity is the predominant religion, such as Russia, Greece, and Ukraine, Orthodox Easter Monday is often a public holiday. Many people attend church services, spend time with family and friends, and participate in various festive activities. Some traditions include special meals, sharing of Easter eggs, and other cultural customs unique to each region. Malbec World Day. Malbec World Day is celebrated annually on April 17 to pay tribute to the Malbec grape variety and to promote Argentine Malbec wine around the world. The day was established by Wines of Argentina, an organization that promotes Argentine wine internationally, to honor the country's flagship grape variety and its contribution to the global wine industry. The date was chosen to commemorate the day in 1853 when Argentine President Domingo Faustino Sarmiento officially made it his mission to transform Argentina's wine industry. On that day, he tasked Michel-Aimé Pouget, a French soil expert, with bringing new grape varieties from France to Argentina, including Malbec. Malbec World Day is celebrated with various events, tastings, and promotions in many countries where Argentine wines are enjoyed. World Hemophilia Day. World Hemophilia Day is an annual observance held on April 17 to raise awareness about hemophilia and other bleeding disorders. Established in 1989 by the World Federation of Hemophilia, WFH, this day coincides with the birthday of Frank Schnabel, the founder of WFH. The event aims to bring attention to the challenges faced by people living with bleeding disorders and advocates for better access to care, treatment, and support for affected individuals and their families. Hemophilia is a genetic bleeding disorder that affects the blood's ability to clot, resulting in prolonged bleeding after an injury, spontaneous bleeding, or bleeding into joints and muscles. While hemophilia is the most well-known bleeding disorder, there are several other conditions, such as von Willebrand disease, that can also cause abnormal bleeding. Blah 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 Day. Blah 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 Day is a humorous holiday that falls on April 17 of each year. It is a day that encourages people to embrace the art of small talk, even if it's not particularly meaningful or interesting. The holiday pokes fun at the tendency for people to talk too much or to engage in repetitive conversations, and it encourages them to find the humor in it. While it is not a widely recognized holiday, some people choose to celebrate it in their own way by engaging in silly conversations, telling jokes, or even by making fun of their own tendency to ramble. The origins of Blah 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 Day are unclear, but it is likely that it was created as a tongue-in-cheek response to the endless chatter that people are often subjected to. The holiday is a reminder to take a break from the serious and meaningful conversations that we have every day and to embrace the lightheartedness of small talk. That's it for today, and have a fantastic time celebrating.